Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a year since I posted here. And this video is not one of the planned video, it's just something I did impromptu. I just woke up and I realized that my hair is breaking, and it's been a long time I actually treated my hair. So I just opened our fridge and I saw this ingredient inside, and I was like, okay, mayonnaise is very good for the hair, so let me do something with it and do a hair mask out of it. So I wasn't going to do a video. When I started the process, I was like, it's been a long time I posted on my channel, so let me just post this, let me just record it and post it for my viewers, my subscribers. And then I've done this video like sometimes last month but guys, I have posted the video with my mouth. Always I'm saying I'm going to post the video. After recording the video, I've edited, I've done everything. It was just left with voiceover, and this voiceover took forever. Today I just got to school and I was like, okay, let me do something about it. Let me do a voiceover before I start the agenda of the day. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use mayonnaise to revive my hair. So I use mayonnaise, and the thing in the bottle is a cream I did. It's actually leave-in conditioner I did for myself from scratch. And if you want to see a video about that, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll show you how I did that leave-in conditioner. It can be used as a leave-in conditioner and a pre-poo as well. So I just grabbed my leave-in conditioner, pour it on the mayonnaise, and added oil. I didn't show that, but that I did it off camera. Like I said from the beginning, all this thing I didn't plan, so I was just doing something and it came up and I decided to record. So I didn't have all the ingredients with me, so the oil was poured on the mixture off camera. So with the oil, you can pour any oil of your choice. In this video I used my rosemary oil, and if you want to know how to do rosemary oil too, let me know down in the comment section. So guys, this is how I came about these 3 ingredients, and it worked magic. It has revived my hair, and I'm going to be doing it frequently. I'll be doing it every month. I did this last month, so this month too I'll do another one. So after doing the ingredient, mixing it very well, I just went ahead to apply it on my hair. And guys, look at my hair, look at the length, look at that. You can compare it to the other videos, the one I've done like a year ago. You realize that there's been a much increase in length. I repeat, the length has increased, and I've realized that the back of my hair grows more than the front. The thing is, the back of my hair grows longer and the front grows in volume. I don't know, just one head, and I have 2 different types of hair, but that is not my worry. I am not worried about that at all. I love my hair and it has come to stay. Even though there are thoughts of me cutting, I want to cut it, but then I'm still thinking about it. I just want to do something crazy, so I don't know if I'm going to be cutting it or I'm going to be doing something else. So let's see what happens in the future. So guys, this is my hair, and this is one of the simplest hair masks you can do for your hair. Guys, it is really amazing. It smells good. I don't know if because of the rosemary oil, but then it smells very good. Then you can use, and about the mayonnaise, you can use any mayonnaise of your choice. This one, I think I used some Genie mayonnaise or so. It's mayonnaise is mayonnaise. I cannot come and kill myself, and it's worked magic. So you can use any mayonnaise you have. And I saw a video on YouTube here, somebody showing people how to make mayonnaise from scratch. So if you want to make your own mayonnaise too, why not? You can look for that video, make your own mayonnaise, make your own leave-in or pre-poo conditioner, and also make your own rose oil, so you are in charge of whatever you are putting in your hair. So this is me combing my hair. Guys, it's been a long time I combed my hair, and I just wanted to use that opportunity to comb every shred out, like comb everything, and I really combed it and it came out nice, and I'm glad I did. And after applying this to my hair, I just let it be in my hair for about, I think I left it for about 1 hour or 30 minutes. I'm not really sure, I didn't time it. And I just went ahead to wash it out, then style it as normal. Guys, it's been a long time I braided my hair as well. Maybe that's why the volume has increased. And this is my hair, guys. And I just decided to apply. See, they are all natural ingredients, so I just decided to apply it to my face as well, because I cannot go and kill myself. So guys, this is all I have for you today. Until I see you guys in my next video, I don't know when. Bye.